Start cleaning with the shrimps. And finally make sure that you get rid of the shrimp intestine like this, because it will really give a bad flavor to your meal. And now I am going to clean and cut my onions. Add the vegetable oil. Start with adding onions and frying them. And of course, for good flavor, add 3-4 cloves of garlic and fry them together. Add some dried basil. After onions are caramelized, add shrimps and start frying them. Add 2 pinches of salt. And now let's do some surgery. I cut all the time the green part of the tomato this way because it's toxic, and I will cut it this way. And now, okay, I know that not everyone likes parsley, but I like its flavor, that's why I'm going to add it, but it's optional, you know. And now, after frying all of the ingredients, it's time to add some cooking cream. Cook it until the color of the cooking cream gets this yellow color. And now I am going to prepare my pasta. I'm going to add some salt before adding my pasta. After my pasta is ready, I am going to mix them up. And finally, the dish is ready to be served.